Give me 4 minutes and I'm going to speed up your video editing. Now this is going to be especially useful for new creators that lose that time, energy and hope on the video editing process itself. So keep watching, this is really going to help you. Tip number 1 is I want you to find 1 hour in your week, and I know you might have a busy life, but find that hour. Use your lunch breaks, before, after work, get up earlier, you know the thing. The usual productivity nonsense I'm going to throw at you, but find that hour, then go on YouTube and I want you to search for tutorials on your video editing software. Now I'm not going to tell you that you have to use this video editing software. I know which one I prefer, but everyone has got different preferences. So find a tutorial, there'll be loads on there, and find ones that look hard, that look difficult. First of all, you're going to learn from the tutorial itself. You're going to learn some of the features, buttons, all that kind of thing. Second of all, and the most important part, you're going to learn from your mistakes. If you're choosing one that's hard, you're going to make loads of mistakes. You're going to click on the wrong thing, do the wrong thing, and it's surprising how quick these mistakes turn into actual progress. So find that tutorial, an hour a week, and start improving your skills very slowly but consistently. Tip number 2, I want you to keep it ridiculously simple. Forget 90% of the buttons that you've never used before. You're going to keep it simple. I'm going to give you a process now that if you follow this, it's going to help you get quicker each time, because you're going to know exactly what you need to do at each point. And over time, you can add on to that and build and add all these things that you're learning from tip 1. Firstly, import your videos from your camera. I use Filmora, and that's this thing called global media. If you're going to use that video, that clip, that effect, that image, whatever it is, if you're going to use that on more than one video, put it in your global media, and over time your overall process gets faster and faster. The second step is the split and delete. You're going to go through the timeline of your video and concentrate on nothing but just chopping it up. You're going to cut bits out. You're going to go split, delete, split, delete, split, delete, all the way through. All the ums, ahs and silent moments while you try and think what you're going to be saying. Then you're going to add transitions and B-rolls. Now that is really simple. In Filmora, you just drag an effect in, or a video to sit on top of your other videos, and it's just where one clip goes into another clip. It could be a fade, it could be a zoom, or it could be a video on top. This just adds some flow to your video. Next is the visuals, the text and images. Now just drag them in, keep it simple. Don't spend too long doing this because they're not entirely necessary. They just add a little bit more context, a little bit of variety to your video. Then we've got music and sound effects. Now this is like Marmite. Some people love music, some people hate it. If you don't want to put music in, not a problem. Sound effects, I do think add a little bit more depth. It could just be a button click, a whoosh, or a cha-ching of a cash register. Whatever it is, they just add a little bit more depth. Lastly, watch your video through, spot the obvious mistakes, then export it, publish it, and don't look back. Move on to the next video. Tip number 3, I want you to resist the urge to be perfect, because if you try to be perfect every time, you're not going to produce, you're not going to get your videos out there to the world. It is going to kill your progress and momentum, I promise you. All you need to do is focus on simplicity and consistency. Them 2 things are enough to help improve your video editing. By having that simple process and by having that time to learn new things just slowly and consistently each week, these are going to build up and contribute to you editing your videos faster and improving the quality of those edits as time goes on without overwhelming you and leaving you stuck in the mud. I hope that was useful. If you want to go more in depth into this, I've got a monster video that goes through that entire process and gives you exactly everything you need to know. It's on screen now.